Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Sweatcoin. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to open the app, that is Sweatcoin. So let me search here. Okay, and you need to log in on to your account. So as you can see that this is my account. So here you can see that this is my account, and you can see that if you walk 1000 steps you will get one sweet coin. So you need to uh, so here you can see that 1000 steps generate one sweet coin. So we don't accept bumps and shaking. So if you whenever you are going on walk, you need to turn on this application in the back end, and you can easily generate some revenue from here. And if you want, you can invite your friends and win big. That is, you can earn more sweet coin by inviting friends. So here you can see that you can earn more money by inviting your friends. So this is the simple process. Here you can see that invite a friend, get 5 sweet coins. So here you can see, so this is a simple process by which you can earn money with Sweatcoin by walking. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.